Hey guys, I am Dinesh from PCworld.lk, and today I am going to teach you about Google structured data and how it can be used in your Joomla CMS websites. So my dear friend, there are two ways to do this. First one is hard way and the second one is the easy way. So hard way is that you can use these Google developer articles and find these code examples, right? Then you can use these code examples in your website and modify it as you like. But you need to read all these documents and understand what are these code means and how it can be used for your website. And the easy method is you can use extensions like this. I use this extension. It's very nice extension, Google Structures Data. It provided by Taskforce. So it will cost you 29 euros, but it has its own free version, but it will give you some minimum features, like it will give you the option to add site name, alternative site name, site logo, and breadcrumbs and things like that. But if you use pro version, it will give you all these features like site name, breadcrumbs, social profile links, site logo, site link, search box, local business listing, and everything. And the most wonderful thing is it will support all other Joomla content modules like K2 and virtual mart and everything. So it will be easy you to using this extension to add rich snippets to your website. So it's very simple. First you want to buy this, and after you purchase, you can access your member area in his site. Then you can go to download and download all the extension. So you need to log in first. After login, you can download this one. This is the free version. If you purchased the pro version, you can download it from here. And if you purchased Google Structured Data Pro version, you will also he will also give in these free versions of convert forms, tut me, and advanced custom field extensions too. So you can download and test it yourself. After you download this extension, you can install it by going to your Joomla backend menu, extend and install, right? Then you can choose upload package file. Then you can browse your file, right? So after download, it will be like this. This is the pro version. Then you can open it. Then it will automatically install, right? So I have already installed it, so I don't want to duplicate things. After you install your Google Structured Data extension, you can find it on your component Google Structured Data, and you can go to its dashboard. Let's go dashboards. So in the dashboard, it will give you a summary what are the things you have used. So I have total one item, that mean that the rich snippets item, and global structured data, there I have 6, and I have already used 6. Integration, total active integration, and 10. It's there are 10 integrations, but I have only activated 9. And after you install this, you need to go to configuration. Then you can add these things. It's very simple. You can enable site names and give your site name and alternative site name and site URL like this. Then you can enable breadcrumbs and add your text for home entry, and you can enable the site link search box, and you can choose what search method you like to use. And also same as the logo, you can enable logo, and you can add all the local business Google local business data, so your business type, country, and everything. So it's very simple. Then you can add social profiles details. After that you can go to you can go to content in types and find out what are the item content types that support this extension. So you can add articles, courses, events, fact checks, products, receipts, reviews, videos, and if you want to add more extra item content, you can ask from them. So in the integration tab, you can find that what are the integration they support. They support Joomla article, easy blog, Hikka shops, and K2 items. All these things, main menu, SP site, page builder, and these are the things that going to be coming. In advanced, you have these options. Right. So it's very wonderful extension that you can use. After you use this, you can edit all the information you need. You can press the save button, and now you can test your structured data. Just test my site structured data. To do this, you need to go to Google structured data testing tool. Using this tool, you can use whether you add or whether you correctly add your snippets and structured data to your site. So just enter your website URL here. I'm going to copy and paste it, then run the test. So after this test, you can see the site codes here in left side and Google structured data here. So these are my codes in my home page in this URL. So structured data has been detected. There are 5 items in the structured data. They have called content type called organization. In that we don't have errors, we don't have warning, and we do have 2 items. In that 2 item we have URL logo and URL type organization. Then in the same organization type we have site names, URL, CMS name, Facebook, Twitter, that means your social profiles, and we also add local business details. These are those informations. And in website we have name, URL, and alternative name, and we also have search action, right? So if you want to see an example, you can go to here. If you don't know how the data will show after this structured data integration, I can show you some examples. Right, these are structured data. Here you can see these are social profiles. If we add social profiles details in our structured data extension, it will show like this. These are site logo, and here you can see site name, breadcrumbs, site links, and search. These are the one of item, that rating item. product data information with rating, event data, receipt instructions, and these are the receipt instruction with pictures, photos. So these called receipt rich snippets. Local business data. These are the backend. So it's very easy to use this tool. Just download it and use it. If you don't like to buy it, you can use the free version and test it your own. And this owner website, the developer is giving 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the extension after you purchase, you can he will definitely refund your money, so don't worry. Good luck, use it, and leave your comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.